Here?
And triangle 2.
That was from up here. Oh, wait.
Oh, I see. Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
That was our C2.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Other questions? Do you guys still need a minute to copy this down? Okay. Having nobody respond is so hard. Okay, so my plan was to go through number 1 on the next page as as another example, and then have you guys do number 2. Clearly, since we have 4 minutes left, we're not going to have time for that. If you guys are done copying this down, I will start number 1 with you and then post the rest of it after class. Where are you guys at? Are you just needing time to finish this up, write this down, and ask questions, or do you want me to go ahead and flip and start on number 1?
I finished, but I don't want to speak for everyone.
Okay. Is there anybody not finished? How about that? Okay, so I'm going to assume that every single person has finished writing this down. And I'm going to flip over and I'm going to get through as much of number 1 on the back as I can. Actually, well, yeah, I'll skip that. Okay, so I'm going to go through as much of number 1 as I can. And I will post the rest online. And I definitely want you guys to practice number 2 on your own, and then I'll post the solution for to it so you can check it. I think I have like practice on there at one point today, and the practice is just the rest of this sheet. I'm not asking you to turn it in though, so if you don't get through the whole thing, it's okay, but just practice it until you feel confident. Okay, so for number 1, we have our 2 different triangles, so I'm going to highlight which one's which. Also, I need to go through and make sure that like these labels, because I wrote these in, I need to make sure that those are actually on the document I sent you. Did somebody print out the document and no?
They're not on there.
Okay, well, I will scan this page and then post a new thing. I'm sorry. So these are 2 possible triangles. Okay, so I'm going to draw them out up here. So I have C1, A, B, and it says that AB is 3, so this is 3. It says CAB is 37, so this angle right here is 37. CB is 2, so this is 2. Find AC for both triangles. Okay, so we're looking for AC1 and AC2. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 37. Okay, so now let's see where to start. Oh, I should probably draw out my other one too. Okay, so I have 37, 3, and 2. This is C2, A, and B. Okay, and we're looking for this side on each of my triangles. This side is my B1. So B1, and then this side is my B2. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to do the sine rule for my acute angle. So which one of the B's is going to be my acute angle? B1 or B2?
B1.
Yes, so that is the one that I should be solving for. So let's see, hold on. Or I guess, I'm sorry, when we start, we don't start with the B's, we start with the C's. I meant C's, so I'm so sorry. So we're gonna have 2 over the sine of 37. Those are my A. side and angle equals 3 over the sine of C. Okay, and we need to solve that. So we should cross multiply first. So 2 sine C equals 3 sine of 37. And then I would divide by 2 on both sides. And then my C ends up being the sine inverse of 3 sine 37 over 2. Okay, this ends up being 64.5 degrees, which means this is C2 because it's acute. Okay, then we can calculate our C1 by taking 180 and subtracting 64.5. And we should get that C1 is equal to 115.5 degrees. Okay, so it is 9:45 right now. Go ahead and try to finish number 1 by finding your angle B's and your side B's. I will post the final solution for it right after class. And definitely try to do number 2 as practice and do as many of these as you need until you feel like you get it. There is a little check-in activity. I want to see like how you're really doing on this. And then homework, I think, for today. So just make sure you get all of that done. Questions before you leave? Oops. Okay, if there are no questions, feel free to head out. And I will post all this before, like right now, as soon as my computer can upload everything. So it's good to see you guys today. I will talk to you later.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
Do we need to find C2 or is C1 practically C2?
We found C2 first. Because it was the